Hello, my name is Frederick Nnamdi Bembo. I'm a smartphone business consultant. I teach you how to maximize the potentials of your smartphone to boost your productivity and profitability. If you'd love to keep watching videos from, kindly subscribe on the button below, and just beside is a bell icon. Tap the bell icon to keep receiving notifications from me. Alright, so here you can key in your business name. Whatever your business name is, you can write it right here. The next thing, the phone number is already there. The next thing will be your business logo or whatever kind of graphics you want to use to represent your business. The next thing is your value proposition, where, like I wrote here, I coach young people, blah blah blah. So the next thing is your location. The next thing is the kind of service, the category that your business falls on. So you can search up any of these. If you don't see yours in the suggestion, you can type and search up the category that your business falls on. Like, I'm going to search for consulting agency right now, so you will see the option for consulting agency. Once you have selected the category, next thing is to schedule your business schedule. That's the business hour, your business hours, right? When are you going to be open for business? If you have an email, you can also key in your email and then your website. All right, so this can actually serve as the contact page of your business. All right, so immediately you're done with this, you save. Now, depending on the kind of product or business that you're running, if it's a product-based business where you sell stuff, then here you can actually key in the products that you have for sale, right? Like if it's a clothing or whatever kind of thing that you deal on, all right? If it's a consulting agency like mine, then you might want to write about your ebooks, you might want to write about the courses that you offer and all that. So you can just create a graphics and then fill in here the catalog, the services that you offer, like the name of the service, the cost of the service, the description of the service. If you have a web page where you maybe have uploaded it so that people can just click on the link and place an order on that product. Also, you have the space here to add the link and then the code for the product that you are keying in. So you can add as many as you want in here. You can just tap on the add image to add a second one, so that you can easily share this with people that consult you via this page. All right, so it's just a very beautiful way of organizing your business and getting to interact with clients or customers. So over here is the link, so you can get this link and fill it in on your website, or just share it on social media like on Facebook or wherever you want to share it, so that people can easily reach you using that link on WhatsApp. Did you like that video? I guess you want to keep receiving videos as awesome and value-packed as this. So all you have to do is to click the subscribe button down below, and just beside the subscribe button is a bell icon. Tap on the bell to turn on notifications, and you'll be the first to know when we release a fresh video.